How you all doing this morning? I hope that was a good balance on Friday. Wow, what a beautiful weekend we've had here. Went for a big motorbike ride yesterday, practicing some of the techniques we learnt last weekend, and I was happy to say that I wasn't, I sort of realised that on the motorbike, what a surprise, even after 3 years, you sort of listen to trainers and then you try to get what they're saying in your head and all of a sudden you realise, oh, well, maybe they're talking about this sort of slow ride or that sort of cornering. Anyway, learning is learning is learning, and oh, what a year of learning we've had. So, as always, I've been doing my usual listening, learning, reevaluating, reprocessing information that I keep getting coming through. And I think, as always, you can learn all this information with all these amazing doctors out there, but we really need to get to that spot where we reintegrate. And I have actually gone into the world of DuckDuckGo, and gee, what extra information is available in there when you go looking. It's very interesting, because I've been looking for stuff for so many years and I'd heard about it a year ago and hadn't actually got it. I figured it was a boy job, so I didn't do it, but it was so easy to install. And so much more information is all of a sudden available. Very interesting. The good thing is there is no agenda going on whatsoever. So I thought this morning's balance would be really quickly about getting rid of old habits, because once again we need to own our place, man, woman, child on this planet, wherever we are, and we need to be able to look through all the guff, look through the crap, look through the politics, look through the MSM, look through all of that and feel our truth. And feel our truth. What have you known all your life that if you listen to the MSM is no longer true? It's very, very interesting. I was on a newsletter, I was reading a newsletter this morning, and German scientists have been playing around with implanting thoughts and then removing thoughts. Now, how do they do that? It's very interesting. If I can find that article and ask me for it, and I'll go hunting for it, and I'll pop it in here if I can find it again. I do get so many newsletters every day, but I did pop it somewhere, I think, so that I could find it again. I thought, fascinating. Fascinating. So anyway, we know that on the planet at the moment, they are really trying to push shame and guilt and fear. That's been the media for the last year. Shame, guilt, fear, shame, guilt, fear, shame, guilt, fear. So we need to respond to 999, 999, 999. We need to raise ourselves. We need to raise our energy above that. So this little goal balance is going to be around releasing negativity. I'll pause and make a part 2 so you can just do the affirmations over and over again. See you soon.